Hey guys, Wix100 here, and today I'm going to show you another programming resource. Today I'm going to be showing you guys GIMP. GIMP is a free and open source graphics editing program that can be good for user interface design, because if you need an icon or some other image to display, you can use GIMP to create one or even modify a pre-existing icon or graphic, kind of like what I was saying in the previous video with material design. If you take a material design icon and you don't like it, or you want to do a minor change to it, or you want to change its color, then you can easily do it with GIMP. And I'm actually going to be showing you guys a few features that GIMP has and a few basics for it, so you guys know how to use it. So you can create a new file and change its size. You can put a comment, you can make whatever background color you want, change some other features. So I just created a basic simple thing. There's a pencil tool that you can change the size of that has a solid stroke, so as you can see, pixels are solid. Or you could use a paintbrush, which along its edges are gradiented, I guess. I am not entirely sure what term to use for that. There's also many different brushes you can use, so this one's called Sparks. I use it sometimes. There's like splatters and all kinds of things that GIMP has. There's a pepper for some reason, which I've never understood why. I think the GIMP creators were just having fun adding that too. You can use the GIMP logo, which actually I just noticed this for the first time. It actually has different things in his mouth as you drag it across. You can do gradients, which have all kinds of features. There's a preview here. It's shaped. Let me change it to linear. There we go. There's all kinds of different preset gradients. There's the selection tool, so you can select certain things. Ellipse selection, lasso selection. There we go. Similar color selection, all color selection. There's a tool for centering layers, but because there's only one layer here, it won't really do much. Paint bucket, text. You can type whatever you want. Choose all kinds of fonts from your computer. Size, bold, italics. GIMP is just a really cool tool that you can use, and it's a lot like Photoshop, except it's free. Some of my friends that I know that use Photoshop prefer Photoshop because they're used to it, and I actually prefer GIMP because I learned things on GIMP and I'm not experienced with Photoshop, which is the exact opposite than other people. So it just depends on preference. There are other free programs out there for people to use. I use GIMP. So hope you enjoyed. Till next time, bye. Hey guys, so something I forgot to say earlier in the video is that I have an art channel that I will be posting GIMP tutorials, or more in-depth GIMP tutorials in. So if you are looking to see more features of GIMP, you can go check out my art channel, Arctic Fox, and the link for that will be down in the description.